Hey guys, it's me, Rodney. I'm here in San Diego Bay. I'm gonna try to catch 5 spotted bay bass on the double underspin technique. Let's go. I want to say a big thanks to Serra Slammers and Notorious Jighead Customs for hooking it up with the tackle box. This is a Cool Baits underspin, and this is a micro underspin. This is a 1/16 ounce micro spin, and I'm gonna try to catch spotted bay bass, not with 1 but 2. So I have one underspin on the main line, and then I have another one on the same main line. So it's pretty much a drooper loop setup, and instead of using a weight at the end, I just tied another micro underspin. Give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Without further ado, let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and try to catch that handful of spotted bay bass. Let's cast right here. Pretty good distance from shoreline, just using micro underspins. Let's go ahead and try to catch that first spotted bay bass. The water's calm, which is really nice. Oh wow, first cast, guys. Holy moly, first cast. It's not a big one, by all means. It's probably my personal best, but it's my first spotted bay bass of the day. Let's go. Wow, this guy's super cute. Thanks for letting me catch you. Wow, that really surprised. Let's go again on the second cast. Let's see if I can catch my second bass. Just letting it fall a little bit, just like a traditional swim bait, and then a nice slow retrieval rate. Oh, here's one. Got one. Wow. There you go, guys. 2 little micro underspins on one line, catching spotties. See you, buddy. That's one thing I love about spotted bay bass fishing, or just fishing from the shoreline here in San Diego or SoCal. You can be so creative to catching these bass. Oh, here's one. Oh, got one. Third one. Oh, it's a little bit of a nicer one. Oh, about the same size. Ooh, this guy actually bit on the second one. So my second bass bit on the first one, and then this third bass got the second underspin. Wow. Thanks, buddy, for letting me catch you. See ya. In my opinion, if I could catch a handful of bass with the same type of rig or same lure, then I know that this lure works. Advantages of using this technique, in my opinion, is you're still finessing the bass, but you're increasing the weight. So with that, you can cast a little bit further than if you're using a single underblade that's a 132 ounce in weight. And you're also doubling your chances of getting a bass to strike, because if the bass misses one, then he has the other one to grab onto. This is the fourth one, guys. Wow, this technique is really working. The one downside, I guess you would say, is I'm getting the smaller bass to bite. Oh, sorry, buddy. He's gone. I need one more. Oh, there it is. One more bass, and that was right on cue. That was so awesome. Oh, it's a small guy. Look at that. Look at that. That's cool. This technique worked, and I'm glad it did. And I'm glad I caught the 5 spotted bay bass. Look at that. Oh, geez. This guy's like super yellow. All right. Thanks, buddy, for letting me catch you. See ya. Okay, so I know I was gonna catch 5 spotted bay bass, but these guys, this is so fun to catch. Spotted bay bass are so fun to catch on super light line. I can't leave. I'm gonna catch one more bass. Here's one. Got one. There's another one. Oh, it's a bigger one, guys. What could it be? Oh, it's my biggest spotty of the day. Yes, biggest spotty of the day. There you go. Look at that. Biggest body of the day. That's awesome. On the double underspin technique. That was pretty cool. What a fun day. Hour fishing from shoreline using micro underspins on a 2-inch Serra Slammers swim bait. If you like these types of videos, give me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Give me a like button. It really motivates me to making more videos just like this. Again, my name is Rodney Marquez, and always, thanks for watching. See ya. What is that? Is that a miniature plant vase?